Welcome back to my mixology channel. So right here, right now, we're gonna be preparing some Tokyo tea. Guys, I get a request for this Tokyo tea. People is shouting me out, Dean, demo how to make the Tokyo tea. So now I'm gonna demo the Tokyo tea right now. So guys, let's get right into it. So right here, right now, I got my mixing glass right here, okay? So we're gonna go right now with my mixing glass. I got a ounce of Midori. You know what Midori is? It's a melon liqueur. That's a Midori right here. And we're gonna go right here right now. And we're gonna go and then we're gonna get 1 ounces of gin. Remember, it's a Tokyo tea, right? And then we're gonna get our tequila right here. And we're gonna put 1 ounce of tequila right now inside. Just like this. Okay. We're gonna get our vodka. And we're gonna put 1 ounce of vodka just like this inside. You can see exactly what I'm doing. So this is a Tokyo tea. And right here we got our sweet and sour mix. Then we're gonna put 1 ounce inside. You know what sweet and sour mix, okay? And it's called sweet and sour, okay? Then we're gonna go right here, we're gonna put our ice, just like this in the glass. Just like this in the glass, okay? Or ice, like this in the glass. Then right here, we're gonna just shake it up. Everything together. Remember, it's a Tokyo tea. Just like this. And then we're gonna go right here and we're gonna top it off with some Sprite. And remember guys, normally, it's similar like Long Island iced tea, so I didn't use any triple set. So the Midori liqueur substitute for the triple set. I'm gonna put my garnish right here right now. This is some nice fresh melon right here. And there you have it. Tokyo tea. Guys, please enjoy. Nice, refreshing cocktail. Catch you on the next video. I'm out. Mixology 640. Love.